Hey beautiful souls, if you've been feeling anxious, overwhelmed, or just like the world's moving too fast, you're not alone. Anxiety can feel heavy, but today I'm sharing a super simple energy healing practice to help you find calm and balance in just 5 minutes a day. This is perfect for the beginners, and trust me, it's a game changer. So grab a comfy spot, take a deep breath, and let's dive into this healing journey together. Don't forget to hit that like button if this resonates with you, and let's make this a moment of peace for everyone watching. Energy healing is all about working with your body's natural energy to release stress and restore balance. Anxiety can create energetic blockages, making us feel stuck or scattered. This practice uses breath, visualization, and gentle movement to clear those blocks and bring you back to center. It's not about being perfect, it's about feeling good in your own skin. Ready to try it? Alright, let's do this together. You can do this anywhere, your bedroom, a park, even your office. Just find a quiet moment. Here's a step-by-step practice. Sit comfortably or stand with your feet firmly on the ground. Place one hand on your heart and one on your belly. Take a deep breath in through your nose for 4 counts. Hold for 4 and exhale through your mouth for 6. Feel your body soften. Do this for 5 slow breaths. Imagine stress melting away with each exhale. Now, close your eyes and picture a warm golden light starting at the top of your head. This light is pure, calming energy. Slowly let it flow down through your body, your shoulders, chest, arms, all the way to your toes. As it moves, imagine it gently washing away any heavy, anxious energy, leaving you light and clear. If your mind wanders, that's okay. Just bring it back to the light. Let's move that energy. Slowly roll your shoulders, shake out your hands, or do a gentle twist. Move in whatever way feels natural. As you move, imagine any leftover tension floating away like clouds. Say to yourself, I'm calm, I'm safe, I'm enough. Finish by placing your hands in a prayer position at your heart. Take one final deep breath and say silently or out loud, I choose peace. Feel that intention settle into your body. You are done. This practice works because it combines deep breathing, visualization, and movement to reset your nervous system and clear stagnant energy. Science shows that slow breathing lowers cortisol, the stress hormone, while visualization activates your brain's relaxation response. Plus, it just feels good. I do this every morning and it's like hitting the reset button on my anxiety. Thousands of you have shared how much this helps, so give it a try and let me know in the comments how it feels. Here are a few tips to make this practice even better. Do it at the same time daily to build a habit. Mornings or evenings are great. Create a sacred space with a candle, crystal, or anything that feels special. Be gentle with yourself. It's okay if your mind wanders or you feel silly at first. It gets easier. That's it, friends. The simple energy healing practice can help you melt anxiety and find your inner calm in just 5 minutes a day. Try it every day for a week and see how you feel. I promise it's worth it. If this resonates with you, please hit that like button, share this video, and subscribe for more videos on healing, mindfulness, and feeling your best. Drop a comment below and tell me what's your go-to way to ease anxiety. I read every single one. Let's build a community of calm together. See you in the next video. Stay radiant.